And mega love shout out everyone. Today is my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. And guys, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you sa lahat ng mga hiningaan ko ng birthday greetings. Thank you so much for all the kind words, those amazing wishes. And it makes my day special and unforgettable. Thank you so much. And of course, big shout out sa lahat ng team ko. Ang Team Barkada, ang Team Academy, ang Team Dynamics, ang Team Bibo, ang Team UCE, at ang Team Lovebirds, at sa lahat pa ng mga supporters ko. Thank you so much and more power sa ating mga channel. Ayan, happy birthday once again for myself, and I'm thanking God for this another year. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. Love you all.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Donuts.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
We are here to greet happy birthday to Donut TV.
Give me my donuts.
Huh?
Give me my donuts.
Who eat your donut?
Give me my donuts. Give me my donuts.
Tom, and your name is?
My name is Eminem.
Happy birthday, Donut TV.
Yeah, this is Lou, my assistant co-pilot when I'm driving, and my assistant YouTuber when I'm doing the YouTube channel. And this is Kami. Say hi, Kami.
Hi.
Say hi, Lou. Happy birthday, Tommy.
Happy birthday in your face.
Tom, what do you say to Donut?
You can work at UFA if you want.
Happy
2015.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we have to say it together. Kami.
Happy birthday.
I can see you,
to
Kami.
you.
Happy birthday to you. You live in the zoo. You look like a monkey. And you smell like one, two. Happy birthday. Hello from Canada. Thank you guys for watching. Tom,
And thank you for UFA.
are you gonna give kisses? Aww. Are you gonna give kisses, Kami? Aww.
So sweet.
Bye. Thank you, guys. It's Saturday 8, and this is Lou. Happy
Birthday to you.
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Donut.
Hello everyone, sending you a day full of love, joy, and celebration. Life is a journey, so enjoy every mile. Happy birthday, Kabs at Donut. Ay Estemare pala. Ayan. Be strong, be healthy, stay pretty always, and stay blessed. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday, Mare. Ayan. happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, sis Donut. I want to say for you happy birthday. See, happy birthday to Ate Donut TV.
Happy birthday, Donut.
TV. Ayan, happy birthday, sis
Happy birthday,
Donut.
Strawberry.
And good health always. God bless you always, and more blessing to come. And stay maganda, stay sexy. Ayan. Sana happy ka ngayon sa araw na ito, at pasensya na. Hindi na nakakadalaw sa live mo kasi sobrang busy. Kaya ayan. Hayaan mo pag medyo okay na talagang balik YT tayo, guys. Laban lang tayo sa YT. Ayan, sis Donut, happy birthday. God bless you always. Love. Bye.
Ay, magandang umaga sa inyo guys. Greetings pala kay Donna Tolentino, ang ating kaibigan from YouTube. Happy birthday sa iyo at maging magligaya ka sa buhay mo. Panibagong buhay na naman. At maging masaya ka, maging mayaman ka. Mayaman na mayaman ka. And mabuhay ka na hanggat sa gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mirat. Donut TV, happy birthday. Nadagdagan na naman yung edad mo. O, ayan ha. Gumawa na ako para hindi mo hanapin yung aking greetings. Muntik ko na naman makalimutan. Happy birthday sa aking ka-vlogger dito sa Hong Kong. More birthday to ka, Mirat. So, lalabas ba tayo sa linggo? Happy birthday ulit!
Hello friends in YT. Magbati lang ako ng happy birthday to my good friend Donna. Sana lumago pa ang business natin sa YT. At maraming viewers lagi. And of course, healthy lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Alright, magpa-party na!
Hello, Donut TV! Happy birthday! And mag-iingat ka dyan sa Hong Kong. Miss na kita. Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. And wish ko sa'yo is sana maging masaya ka sa iyong birthday. Kasama ng ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Hong Kong. God bless you always. And mag-iingat ka. Yun lang ang aking mensahe sa iyo. At sana makikita pa tayo uli. Ayan. Thank you so much, Donut.
Hello guys, magandang buhay po sa lahat at nais lang po natin yung batiin ng ating kapatid na si Donut TV. Yan. Happy birthday Adeng at naway pagpalain ka pa ni God at sana ay matupad ang mga pangarap mo at ma-achieve mo pa ang gusto mo mga goals para sa buhay mo, para sa pamilya. At maraming salamat at nahiling naman ako na magbigay ng maliit na pagbati sa iyo. Maraming salamat nga pala sa sa meetup natin sa Hong Kong. Yan. Happy ako at nakita kita doon. At nakasama ka ng volleyball team doon sa Hong Kong. Happy naman at marami ka rin nakilala doon na grupo namin. Although hindi na ako masyadong active sa marathon talaga kasi inatake na ako ng katamaran. Yan Adeng, enjoy your day. Then sana ay bigyan ka pa Lord ng mahabang buhay. Happy life. Yan, then good health. Yan, nice meeting you Adeng at happy birthday again. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless sa'yo. Bye-bye.
Hello sis, happy birthday to you. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you and mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Love you. Bye.
Hello, magandang buhay po sa lahat ng mga viewers at subscribers ni Ma'am Donut TV. Ma'am Donut TV, una po sa lahat, happy birthday, good health and God bless po at sana po lahat ng mga pangarap ninyo sa buhay, sa inyong mga kaibigan, sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong YT channel ay bigyan ng katuparan ni Lord. Sana po maging patuloy ang pagkakaibigan natin simula sa araw na nakilala ko po kayo sa Hong Kong sa pamamagitan ng ating Kuya Royce. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng viewers po ni Ma'am Donut TV. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakataong ipinagkaloob sa akin ni Ma'am Donna TV upang makabati sa kanyang special day. Thank you so much din po sa inyong time at effort upang ma-meet kami ni Kuya Roy sa Hong Kong. Ma'am Donna TV, happy birthday po, mabuhay po kayo, at syempre po, God bless sa buong pamilya ninyo. Happy birthday, Ma'am Donna TV. Thank you so much.
Hi Sis Donna, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life and good health. And ingat ka dyan palagi. And enjoy your special day. Bye-bye, ingat ka dyan. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and have a long life. And enjoy your day and always take care of yourself. I miss you.
Donna, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Thank you for taking care of me, and have a good life and live long but not too long. Bye.
Happy birthday, my beloved Tita Donna. I just want to say thank you for being my kakampi when everything feels so heavy. And I just want to say thank you for all your sweet messages that makes me relief. I hope we can get together soon. I wish you long life and good health. Enjoy your day. Much love, Tita Donna.
Happy birthday, Mama Donna.
Happy birthday, Mommy Donna. We love you. Hello, Mama Donna. Happy birthday.
Oh.
You're the best, Mommy. We're so lovely to have you. We wish you happiness and good health.